Nostalgia is going to hit you hard because WINAMP is coming back. After losing its charm that was once the 90s most popular MP3 player is ready for its revival. In a surprising move, the WINAMP team has announced that they intend to open source their Windows app on September 24th, 2024. You know how crazy that will be? What do you think people contributing to the dopest media player in the whole world can actually defeat iTunes?
WINAMP. It really whips the llama's ass.
Though this will happen under a different name, which is Free Llama, but who cares? WINAMP is back. WINAMP CEO Alexandra Saboungian said this decision will delight millions. We will be releasing a new mobile player at the beginning of July. Still, we don't want to forget the tens of millions of users who use the software on Windows. And also said WINAMP will remain the owner of the software and will decide on the innovations made in the official version. By making it open source, WINAMP is allowing its users to contribute directly to improving the product, like WINAMP was doing it single-handedly when iTunes hit the market. Even when WINAMP had around 60 million users, it failed. The software was soon considered outdated. Today's era kids will never know what WINAMP was will not be true anymore. Once the team of 4 developed WINAMP, and now everyone in the world will contribute in the development and make it superior than ever. Let's see where it goes today in the phase of Spotify and Apple Music. We'll get to know more in September. But what do you think about it? Tell us in the comment.